Hey guys, it's me. Flash is making this weird noise. It's like, vroom. Flash, do that again. Vroom. Flash. It was weird. Like, I was watching a drum video over there, and he's just making this weird noise. He's in this house, so I'm gonna open it, see what the crap is going on. Flash, come here. You okay? You okay? You're making weird noises, man. Vroom. Was that you, or cause, yeah, I don't know what that was. It was weird, cause, I don't know, it was just the weirdest noise ever. It was like, huh, maybe he'll do it again. But that was just strange. It sounded like a record scratch, but like really high pitched. I don't know, it's weird. Zip! Something like that. I don't know. Anybody can you guys help me with this? I don't know what it is, cause is Flash a girl? Is he like pregnant? I don't know what it is. Maybe I don't know what that is. Maybe he's having a bad dream. I'm not sure what it is, but it was a weird noise too. Zip! Flash, do it again, dude. I don't. What the? That was like the weirdest noise I ever heard, I swear. I don't know what it was. Flash, do that again, dude. Maybe he'll do it later, I don't know. But, let me stay here for a minute, because when I was sitting over here watching a video, he just started making that noise. It was coming from over there in the mini house. I don't know what it was. Flash, do that again, dude. Flash, do that noise. It was the weirdest noise. Maybe, I just don't know what it was. Was he like, yeah, I'm wondering if Flash is pregnant or something. I don't know. Because when we went to Petco and got him, they said it was a boy. So I don't know. He can't be pregnant. And I don't know if he had a bad dream or not. Because he's been in there for a while. For about, 30 minutes or so. So, I don't know. Maybe he just had a bad dream. I'm guessing that's what it is. But it sounds like a record scratch, but really, really, really high pitched. Huh. Alright, well, I'm going to continue watching this video. Something like this. Something like that. So, any of you hamster owners who know what that noise is, what that means, please let me know. Alright, YouTube, see ya.